Have you ever dreamt of becoming a scientist? Of exploring the mysteries of space, galaxies, and planets? Imagine the possibility of venturing into the unknown, unraveling the secrets of the universe, and pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. These notions might seem like a far-off dream, but they could be closer to reality than you think. Enter the Young Scientist Programme, or YUVIKA, a remarkable initiative by the Indian Space Research Organization, affectionately known as ISRO. This program is a beacon of opportunity for young minds, illuminating the path to a future filled with discovery and innovation. It's a gateway to the cosmos, a chance to learn about space technology, space science, and space applications straight from the experts. YUVIKA is more than just a program. It's a journey of knowledge, a voyage into the cosmos, and a stepping stone toward a future where dreams of science become a reality. Well, if you have, the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO has something exciting in store for you. YUVIKA, or Yuva Vigyani Karyakram, is a unique program designed to inspire and nurture young minds. This initiative by the Indian Space Research Organization, or ISRO, serves as a beacon of knowledge, guiding the students of today to become the scientists of tomorrow. The program is an exciting mix of learning and awareness creation, imparting fundamental knowledge on space technology, space science, and space applications. It specifically caters to young students with an emphasis on those hailing from rural areas. The objective is clear and powerful: to create awareness about the emerging trends in science and technology amongst the youth. The philosophy of YUVIKA is to catch them young. It's about guiding the budding minds, those curious and inquisitive young souls who are the future building blocks of our nation. It's about fostering their curiosity, nurturing their interests, and encouraging them to seek answers to the mysteries of the universe. The program is not just about learning, it's about inspiring. It aims to motivate more students to pursue careers in the fields of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, commonly known as STEM. The hope is that by giving them a taste of the wonders of space and the joy of scientific discovery, more students will choose to walk down the path of scientific research and innovation. YUVIKA is a 2-week residential program where the selected students get to experience the world of space science up close. It includes invited talks, experience sharing by eminent scientists, facility and lab visits, exclusive sessions for discussions with experts, and practical and feedback sessions. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for these young minds to learn from the best in the field, to ask questions, to explore, and to dream. 3 students from each state and union territory participate in this program every year, covering CBSE, ICSE, and state board syllabus. The selection is based on academic performance and extracurricular activities, with special weightage given to the students from rural areas. Indeed, YUVIKA is a stepping stone to a world of scientific exploration and discovery. It's an invitation to the youth of our nation to dream big, to reach for the stars, and to make those dreams a reality. Now, you must be wondering, how can you be a part of this exciting journey? Well, let's take a closer look at the eligibility criteria and the selection process for YUVIKA, the Young Scientist Programme. Firstly, the program is open to those of you who have finished 8th grade and are currently in 9th grade. This is a golden opportunity for young minds to delve into the world of space technology and science, so it's important to seize it while you can. The selection process is a balanced mix of academic performance and extracurricular activities, based on your 8th grade year. So whether you're a budding Einstein or a sports enthusiast, your diverse talents could be your ticket to this incredible journey. And here's the best part: the program ensures a minimum representation from each state and union territory in India. That's right, no matter where you're from, YUVIKA opens its doors to you, providing an equal platform for all. But that's not all. YUVIKA also gives special weightage to students from rural areas. This is a deliberate and thoughtful step taken by ISRO to ensure that the wonders of space reach the nooks and crannies of our vast country. So if you're from a rural area, your chances of stepping into this unique world of space exploration are even higher. But what if there's a tie between candidates, you might ask? Well, YUVIKA has that covered too. In such cases, the younger candidate gets the preference. After all, it's all about catching them young. So you see, YUVIKA is more than just a program. It's a beacon of hope for young scientific minds across the country, an opportunity to learn, explore, and dream. It's a chance to step into the shoes of the scientists you admire, to walk their path, and to get a taste of the thrilling world of space science and technology. So, if you are a grade 9 student with a passion for the stars, YUVIKA could be your ticket to the cosmos. But what exactly awaits you in this 2-week residential program? Well, imagine a fortnight of immersion in the world of space technology and science. You'll have a chance to learn from the best in the field. Eminent scientists, experts who have worked on groundbreaking projects will be there to share their experiences, their challenges, and their triumphs. They'll inspire you with their stories, sparking that curiosity that is the bedrock of scientific discovery. But it's not just about listening to talks. You'll get to see space technology in action. You'll get to visit facilities where satellites are built and labs where cutting-edge research is conducted. You'll see the practical application of what you learn in the classroom. And you'll understand how space technology is shaping our world. The program also includes interactive sessions. Here you can ask questions, engage in discussions, and challenge your understanding. It's a chance to deepen your knowledge and test your ideas. You'll get to interact with your peers, students from different states, each bringing a unique perspective to the table. And let's not forget the feedback sessions. These are designed to help you reflect on what you've learned, understand your strengths, and identify areas for improvement. It's a continuous process of learning and growth. So get ready for an unforgettable journey of learning, discovery, and exploration. So why wait? Let's recall the brilliance of YUVIKA, a unique program by ISRO. Aimed at nurturing young minds, it's a chance for 9th graders to delve into the exciting realms of space technology, space science, and space applications. With a preference for students from rural areas, it ensures a fair representation from every state and union territory. Imagine 2 weeks filled with invigorating talks, lab visits, and engaging sessions with experts. Remember, the universe is full of mysteries, and you could be the one to unravel them. So take that first step with YUVIKA and let the stars guide your way.